welcome to 12 Days of Mom Tips. I'm a mother-baby nurse, and for the 12 days of Christmas, I'm sharing 12 mom tips. So let's talk about how to pick your car seat. Oh, I got a friend here now. First, I think it's important to look at price, honestly. Now, any car seat that is sold in the United States has passed all the safety checks it needs to. I did look at some third-party websites that evaluated car seats and just kind of gave their opinions on them as well. How light the car seat was, how light the base was, strollers they were compatible with. I personally also really wanted a car seat that was very light because I knew I was going to be carrying it around. And I didn't want the stroller it fit into to be very heavy as well. I knew I didn't want a jogging stroller, I just wanted more of like a caddy stroller. You can check if you're planning on having multiple kids, seeing how long the car seat lasts. But most of them last about 5 to 7 years before they expire. Think about how easy it is to move to another car. If you have a convertible car seat, they do last a long time, but they're a pain in the butt to move. I didn't really know this as a first-time parent. An infant car seat usually lasts until about 30 pounds. Car seats, those vary, but a lot of times they can hold from infant up until like toddlerhood or even convert into like a booster seat. Those ones are just bigger, they're harder to move around. You can't usually carry them. Make sure to follow along for 12 more days of mom tips.